to rush it. Don't settle.
Don't settle.
You guys, I'm not good with love. You guys should give me advice about love. I mean, if you've read my books, I probably need some help. But
You'll always know. That's it.
If you're torn between two lovers,
You'll
how
always
do you
know.
know?
There's
Can
always
you always
one.
love both? Or
You'll always
is
know.
it possible to love two men?
Yes, you can always. Yes, you can love two people at the same time, different kinds of love. And don't ever feel guilty about it.
Okay, and can you tell us about your book that will become film?
So Ugly Love is currently being made into a movie, and I don't have a lot of say over it, but you know, they keep me updated every now and then. I talked to the producer last week, and he said that they're probably going to announce casting soon for the female. And as you all know, they've already got the lead actor, Nick Bateman. But they seem to be on track with that. They seem to be moving along really well, so I'm excited.
can I try out for the part?
No, y'all, I've seen Tarryn act. It is not
Just the
pretty.
kissing scene. Just the kissing scene.
How about you guys? If your books were to be turned into movies, do you have a fantasy cast of who would play? Let's say who would play Isa, and who would play Olivia?
Natalie Dormer for Olivia.
How about for Isa or Alex?
Alex was always Paul Walker to me.
Not a Filipino actor. Piolo. Tino Piolo.
No, is he here? Can I meet him?
You can arrange it. Who do you want to play Alex and Jesse? Who? Any idea? Have a group with them.